It starts with a tiny grain, a humble oat kernel, grown on vast fields stretching across the United States, Canada, and parts of Europe and Asia. From the farm to your breakfast bowl, the journey of instant oats is both ancient and deeply modern. Once the oats are harvested, they're transported in bulk to massive milling facilities. Here, the grains are first cleaned, rigorously screened to remove stones, dust, and husks. Powerful air blowers and vibrating sieves ensure only the purest oat groats move forward. Now, the groats enter the steaming chamber. This step is essential. Steaming softens the grains and deactivates enzymes that could cause spoilage. It also brings out the natural, nutty aroma we associate with oats. After steaming, the groats are cut or left whole, depending on the type of oat product. For instant oats, the groats are flattened using heavy steel rollers. These rollers apply enormous pressure, turning thick grains into thin flakes, perfect for quick cooking. Next comes the drying phase. Moisture from the steaming is removed in large, rotating dryers. The temperature and timing are carefully monitored to ensure the oats are dry enough to store safely, but not overcooked. The flakes then travel along conveyor belts to metal detectors and quality control stations. Any irregularities, broken pieces, burnt flakes, or foreign matter are automatically identified and removed using high-speed sensors and air jets. Once cleared, the instant oats move into the packaging zone, a high-tech area filled with automated bagging and sealing machines. In airtight bags or boxers, they're measured, poured, and sealed at a rapid pace. Labels are applied, barcodes are printed. Every packet is stamped with a manufacturing date and a batch number for traceability. These packages are now ready for boxing and palletizing. Robotic arms stack them precisely onto wooden pallets, which are then wrapped and prepared for shipping. But the process doesn't end there. Each batch is sampled and tested in the on-site labs for texture, moisture content, microbial safety, and taste consistency. In just a few hours, a field of oats is transformed into the smooth, familiar flakes we see in stores, ready to be microwaved in a minute and enjoyed with milk, fruit, or honey. Across factories in the USA, UK, Germany, and Pakistan, the core process remains the same, a balance of tradition, science, and modern automation. So the next time you stir a warm bowl of oats on a busy morning, know that behind that simple breakfast lies a world of precision, machines, and global food science, quietly making your day just a little smoother.